Police officer was arrested yesterday on allegations of joining last Wednesday's protest. But after hours of interrogation at DCI headquarters, he was set free. Catherine Imuraget caught up with him and has the story.
These are some of the videos posted by Constable Dennis Munyao, better known as Afande Deno, on his TikTok account before his arrest. Afande Deno, as he is fondly called here in Tasia, Nairobi, was picked up by officers in Pangani while running errands with a friend. He is accused of participating in Wednesday's protests and was taken to DCI headquarters for questioning, where his phone was confiscated. However, he was later released but directed to report back to DCI on Monday.
Wakaniuliza kama naweza kuwa na accounts za wase walikuwa naibia watu. Nikamwambia mimi wase wakiibiwa. Silikuwa ni hapa majioni hapo walikuwa nishaenda kijana. And of which is very true. Mimi nilitoka maandamano kitu 6. Ilikuwa 5:30 to 6 hapa. Hata vida iko nikirecord nikitoka maandamano.
Watoto wetu wanazidi kuzikana.
Deno says he uses his social media platforms to educate citizens on the importance of cooperation and maintaining peace.
Content zangu mingi ni community policing. Najaribu kusafisha jina ya polisi. Mimi nataka tu tuna image mzuri. Unajua wase ndio waligadi wale wase wakapeleka Yesu mali walimpelekana. Chuki ilianzanga na Farao, unaona? So haijalishi ni lini na ni nani atatake your time achange image ya polisi. Unaona, jina ya polisi inapaswa kuwe safi. Sasa tukiona polisi tunatoka Siaka mse.
Although he is attached to Garissa County, Deno was on a short leave and had returned home to spend time with his family when he was arrested. His close bond with residents is evident. Here, he shares a simple meal in a kibanda with friends while recording TikTok videos. And despite the incident, Deno is urging the fellow police officers to avoid using excessive force when dealing with members of the public.
So polisi kama wanaweza toka kwa ofisi, waingie kwa ground, wajue shida ya Nyango, wajue shida ya Kiprono, wajue shida ya Kamau na Musyoka. Inaweza saidia tena vizuri sana kumaliza crime mtaa.
Catherine Imuraget, KTN.
June 25th marks World